Hey, it's Scott with the TCDD Legislative Update. For today's update, we're going to the Capitol. I left my car at the visitor parking garage, which is free for the first 2 hours and fairly close to the Capitol. People with disabilities should know about this van-accessible drop-off point near 14th and Colorado. The good thing about this spot is it's somewhat near the Capitol's north entrance, which has accessible ramps that you can use on either side of the doors. After I headed into the building, I had to go through a security checkpoint where they scanned my bag and I walked through a metal detector. Then I found an elevator and I went down to the E1 floor because most committee hearings take place in the Capitol extension. I found my hearing room and then I found a nearby kiosk to register as a witness. At the kiosk, you have to find the right committee and the right bill number. Then you provide contact info, indicate who you're representing, and state your position on the bill. You also say whether you're giving verbal testimony, written testimony, or no testimony at all. I was just dropping off written testimony, which I gave to the committee clerk. Testimony dropped off, mission complete.